Hey guys, it is the Money Goddess Lamiel, and it is day 2 of Credit Empowerment Secrets. And the secret that I am revealing to you today um, is an interesting one. A lot of people believe that credit agencies are required by law to report things to your credit report for 7 to 10 years. That is completely false. There is no law that requires credit agencies to report anything at all. They are not required by law, by the government, to report anything whatsoever. They are required by law to remove all derogatory items that are older than 7 years, including your bankruptcies. But they're not required to they're not required to report anything. So if you're talking to someone, if you've tried this whole, fix your credit yourself, and they're telling you, no, we have to report this, they don't. Okay. And this is important when you go in to start really working on your credit, which we'll get into later in the week. But it's the only thing that they're required to do is remove anything that is derogatory from your report that is older than 7 years. So today would be a really good day to pull your credit reports and see what's older than 7 years and at least get those things removed. You don't need a credit repair specialist to get things that removed typically that are older than 7 years. And anything else that gets reported is not required by law. This is not a heavily regulated government business. And so a lot of things that we have grown to believe as it pertains to the credit bureaus is complete and utter nonsense, because they are simply companies who sell credit information. And then how that credit information is handled, has been determined by these businesses, which is why in this recent year and last year, they've been in the court, right? And this is the best time, better than any other time, to start getting your credit together. Why? Because these companies who sell, these major companies who sell your credit information, everybody's credit information to everybody else, has been in the court. The government has taken them to court because they have been reporting things that are illegal. They have some very, very illegal reporting practices. And so now would be a great time for you to take advantage of that. I'll see you tomorrow.